Hey guys, I'm Kent and welcome back to my channel. So I've got a neat installation today for the Honda Ruckus. I've got a new set of graphics from 77 Decals that I'm going to put on the stock Ruckus that has the wave theme that was originally on my GY6. I've kind of been moving them around, but I'm going to pull off the wave theme and put on this new kind of Japanese demon theme that looks pretty cool. It's got pinks and blacks. This is also that cosmic shift print that has some metal fleck in it that in the sunlight really pops. So let me take you over to the Ruckuses. I'm running this, I think this is the, can't remember what it's called, oil spill or something theme, but I like this one and I'm going to probably keep this one on my GY6 build. But this is the wave theme that was on the GY6, now it's on the stock Ruckus. So I'm going to pull off the battery box and get the new decal set on. Can I show you around this one? But I'm going to pull these decals off, pop on the new ones, and we'll get the bike outside so that you can see in the light what the setup looks like. Alright, so final product looks great. I think I will have to change some of these stickers in the back to match the pink and purple, but just here's a quick walk around of the battery box. Thought I might as well pull out the GY6 as well. Okay, so big thanks to 77 Decals for sending me out these sets to try out. I think they look great. I'll link in the description below if you want to check them out for yourself. Thank you all very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos and keep on building.